Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to get IMVU application on your mobile device. IMVU is a social networking platform where you can create 3D avatars, chats, and explore virtual worlds. And in order to get the application downloaded on your mobile device is super easy. Launch or open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's type, and in the search box type in IMVU and search. Look for this application from IMVU and tap on the Get or the Install button. On your iOS device, you need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID's password. And right after you do that, the application download process will begin. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a few minutes. And once it is done, tap on Open to open up your IMVU application on your mobile device. So that's it. Now you know how to get the IMVU app on your mobile device safely and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.